Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today I am going to tell you how to make banana nice cream or ice cream, however you want to say it. This is in a couple different steps. So you need to have ripe spotty bananas to freeze first. So like this one here, nice, ripe and spotty, good for your digestion, and it is also the sweetest at this point. So you're going to take this, peel it, and then chop it into, half-inch chunks and freeze it. And if you have enough room in your freezer to lay it flat on a baking sheet with like a piece of parchment paper or a silicone baking sheet, freeze it, and then once it's fully frozen, then put it into another container that doesn't take up as much space, is ideal. If not, then you can just take this, put it in like, a regular old container, chop it up, throw it in there, and they'll be stuck together, but you can kind of wedge them apart with a knife once you're ready to do this. Once you have your ripe frozen bananas, you are going to get your high-speed blender. I have my Vitamix, and I use it every day. It's like one of my favorite things in the world. I'm going to put in about 3 to 4 of my ripe frozen bananas. Another essential part of this is a squeeze of lime. This is going to, at the risk of sounding really dorky, make the flavors pop. About a teaspoon or 2 of lime, depending on how you feel about it. You may start off slow. It's starting to get into these chunks, these small chunks. And it's important to scrape down the sides when you're doing this. I'm using the taper to just push the banana chunks into the center to keep things moving, because we don't have any liquid in here except for the lime juice. Its consistency is really thick, so we need to help it along. You can see we're starting to get a little bit more of a creamy consistency in there, and I'm going to take a spoon, kind of mix things up in here. Oh, good. This really isn't that labor intensive. So you can see we're starting to get some creamy ice cream. And I'm just going to do another scrape down just to make sure we're getting everything incorporated. There's my brother. Hi, Josh.
Hey, Lulu. Hi.
Good. It's time to eat. All right, and we're done. Look how beautiful that is. Delicious, like always. And look at that. It's so thick, so delicious. And it's just bananas and lime. So it's fat-free ice cream. So this is good for if you're on a diet or, just wanting to cut out those nasty dairy products. This is definitely enough for more than one person, although I have been known to eat this much in one sitting. And then you can put whatever you want on this, cocoa nibs or shredded coconut, peanut butter. My kids really like peanut butter. There's my father. Hi! And so it looks like I might have to share this ice cream, but look at that. And it's easy, it's 2 ingredients. Hi, Dad. And it's good for you, and it's fat-free. So that's pretty good, right? So this is our final product. As you can see, it's super creamy and thick and delicious with only 2 ingredients. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.